CA articleship, the toughest phase of CA course. Endless working, endless studying, endless traveling, managing all relationships. And who am I? I am a chartered accountant article student. And this is a day in the life of a CA article student. I wake up at 5:30 a.m. and get ready to head towards playground. Everyone, the time is 5:45 a.m. and I need to actually get to playground to play some basketball. But yeah, I'll take you over there. Hello friends, I've just come back from playground. The time is 7:05 a.m. I'd like to show you my desk, how messed up it is, and we have to clean it before start studying. So I'll show you my desk right now. It's absolutely messed up, and finally we'll get to studying. So let's start. Hello, the time is 8:25. I did like 1 hour study of income tax salary chapter. So let me go get myself a shower, and then I have to go to client's place. Probably not client's place, my office. A couple of months ago, I'd made a video on what actually happens in audit. So I'd taken you through all the things that happens while vouching. So I'd been to a client's place and I was doing vouching of income expenses, and I've also told in the video the kind of work we do, the kind of analysis we have to do while vouching. So at that point of time, I was with the view vouching is like 60% and the remaining audit is 40%. Now, having completed my 10 months of articleship period, I'm of the view that vouching is like 20 to 25%, but 75 to 80% of audit is actually different. So today, when I get back home, I'm gonna talk about the actual audit. I've not learned everything about audit, but whatever I know, I'm gonna tell it to you. So now it's 9 a.m. I need to get back to office. And after praying to Lord for the best day possible, I head towards my office. And after this, I get a call from my senior that we actually need to get to client's place. As usual, Bangalore traffic. You can see how traffic is messing our lives. And finally, reaching the client's place. And opening my very slow laptop. I don't know why it takes so much time to actually load. And after spending like 2-3 hours in the client's place, I get back to my office. And actually many of you were commenting down comment box that when are we actually receiving the International CA International Conference kit. So I decided to go to Vasant Nagar ICAI Bangalore branch, which is very close to the client's place. So it took me like 15-20 minutes. So it took me like 15-20 minutes by walk to reach Vasant Nagar ICAI Bhavan. So yeah, this is ICAI Bhavan.
Destination is on the right.
Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, Bangalore branch. The only reason I came here to ask about CA International Conference kit, which we were all supposed to receive. Many students have been asking me what about the kits, when are we receiving it. I just been to ICAI, not received any of the kits. Receive one, will call you and intimate you. So I have to check with the Kolkata branch. I'll put a mail to them. That the branch has not received any of the kits. So we'll see what will happen. And after this, I was really hungry and ordered masala dosa. And I booked a cab from there, headed back towards home, and finally to office. About preparing financials of an individual. So I was doing that particular work. It took me like 1.5 to 2 hours to do this. It was like 4:30 p.m. and we decided to get a drink, a fruit juice. And at around 7:50, 8 o'clock, it was time to go back home and do the remaining stuff I had to do. And this is my office. And the beauty of potholes and India fruits. We can actually make a movie on this. Potholes and India fruits. Nice title. Just come back from the office. The time is 8 p.m. It was study for 1 hour. And mom had prepared a delicious dinner for my hungry tummy. And after this, I studied like for about 2 hours and I finally end my day. But before concluding my video, I would like to thank each and every one of you for showering so much of love on my previous videos. I've never received so many likes, so many views, and so many comments. So I promise to bring only value content for you. And before ending this video, I have a small request. For all of you. Can you please just hit the like button and hit on that small subscribe button? It really motivates me to bring more value on the content I make. Thank you once again. Thank you so much.